Assalamu alaikum, grade 2, and a very good morning to all of you. So, how are you all doing? Great. That's very good. Okay. So, what a lovely day, right? It's a beautiful sunny day, and I like rain, but I don't like rainy days. I don't know why. I feel down and dumb, during the rainy day, but I'm more fresh in sunny days. Okay. So, tell me, how are your classes going? Are you guys enjoying the classes? Yes. Okay. Have you guys made new friends? Okay, that's very good. So, it's your numeracy class, and I am again your ma'am Umama. And all of you must be familiar with me from up till now, and I'm also familiar with you guys as well. In today's class, I told you in yesterday's class that your first chapter is end, and today we will be starting with new unit, that is unit number 2. And in this unit, we will be doing different topics. We will be, doing new things. In unit number 1, we covered all of those topics that you have already learned in your previous grades, right? But from today onwards, we will be doing new things. Okay. So, is it interesting? Okay, cool. And who is going to tell me what we did in the past week? What we covered? What were the topics we covered? We started from identification of numbers. Very good. Then we moved toward number names. Very well done. Then we talked about missing numbers. Excellent. We talked about use of numbered lines. Very well done. We talked about ascending and descending order. Yes. And then last but not the least, we talked about what? No. Yes, we talked about the shapes as well. Perfect. And what was the other topic? What was the last topic we covered? Beside those number names, what we did? Two-digit sums, two-digit addition and subtraction, right? Okay, so have you guys practiced that addition and subtraction questions at your home? Yes? Okay, very well then. I'll be, looking at your home task, but later on. But let's discuss today's topic. It's a very interesting topic and hope you guys will enjoy it. Okay. So now I'm going to give you a small activity and then I introduce you with the topic. You must have seen the topic behind me on the board. It says ordinal numbers. So are you guys familiar with this? Okay, let's understand this in a good, in an interesting way. Okay. I'm giving you a task. The task is that you are supposed to draw these pictures that I have drawn behind me. Okay. Okay. Can you see all of these pictures behind me? There are total how many pictures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are total 10 things that I have drawn behind me on the board, and you guys are supposed to draw these all things on your notebooks. Okay. So let's start drawing. And tell me when you are done. Okay. Okay. Who is done? Ahmed. Okay. Ahmed is done. Ahmed, I'm writing your name. First of all, Ahmed is done. Let's say I'm writing just A for Ahmed, okay? Okay, Sarah is also done. Okay, Sarah. Who else? Okay, Eliza is also done. I'm writing again A. Who else? Hamza. Last one. Okay, hurry up. Okay, Hamza is also done. Okay, what about Abdullah? Abdullah, are you done? Hurry up. Okay, Abdullah. Then who is left? Yes, Aiza, are you done? Okay, again A. And who is left? Hurry up, hurry up. Huda. Okay. Okay. Now start see when I gave you an assignment, all of you did it one by one, right?
Okay, let's understand the concept. I gave you an assignment, I gave you a task, and all of you did it one by one, right? But if I ask you, it was like a competition. I ask you that let's see who did it first, right? Now you did it one by one. Maybe some of you did it, at the same time. But yes, you got positions, right? Now for giving you those positions, I'll be using the numbers, right? Let's say I start with Alize did it first. So what is the number I'm giving to the Alize? First, right? I'm not saying that Alize was on 1. What I'm saying that Alize did it first. Now then what after Alize? Sarah. I said Sarah was on second. Now I'm not saying that Sarah was on 2. I'm saying that Sarah did it second, on second position. Then I say that Abdullah did it on third position, Huda did it on fourth position, and so on, right? So the numbers, what are the numbers we are using? We are using the positions for these tasks, right? So the numbers, what are ordinal numbers? Through this activity, I want you guys to introduce with ordinal numbers. What are basically ordinal numbers? The numbers like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and so on. Okay, these are known as ordinal numbers. Okay, now if we define the ordinal numbers, if we now let's say that what are ordinal numbers, if I ask you to define, what you would say? The numbers that we use to tell the position of anything are known as ordinal numbers, right? You can write this definition on your notebook. I'm writing it over here. Write it as it, the numbers that we use to tell the what? To tell the position of anything. To tell the position of anything are known as ordinal numbers. Okay. Now let's see the pictures that I have drawn in front of you on this board. There are 10 items, right? Every item is placed on a particular position. Now let's start giving them positions. Let's start from this. Okay, do not look at the first one. If I ask you on which position the racket is placed, can you find the racket? Okay, in which position is this? Start from here. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So the racket is on fifth position. And we write it as this, right? Okay. Now, if I ask you on which position is the clock placed, what you would say? Continue from there or start from first. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. So the clock is on eighth position. So I'll be writing eighth like this. What we do basically, the original number, the original counting, which we use in our normal life, the digits, we place the digit and then write a small th on it. And it changes into ordinal number. Okay. So what I'm doing basically, I'm giving positions to these all things. So when we use a number to tell the position of anything, the number is known as ordinal number. Got it? Perfect. Now, if I ask you on which place or on which position a bat is placed, what you would say? Sixth position. Perfect. Okay, Sarah, tell me on which position is a ball, a football? It is on fourth position. Excellent. Okay, Hamza will tell me on which position is there a pencil. The pencil is on ninth position. Very well done. Okay, on which position there is a star? The star is on second position. Okay, very well done. And who is going to tell me on which position there is a book? The book is on seventh position. Very well done. Now we are left with three things. Okay, on which position there is a moon? The moon is on third position. On which position there is an apple? The apple is first. And well, this is a water bottle. I try to draw it as a water bottle. If you do not find it like that, I'm sorry for that, but this is a water bottle. Okay, and the water bottle is on 10th position. Okay, perfect. Now look at all of these numbers. The way I write it, there is a small difference in the writing style of first three numbers, right? I didn't use th on with 1. I didn't use th with 2. I didn't use th with 3 as well. I write it as first. So I write s and t with 1. I write n and d with second. And I write r and d with third. So you need to remember this, right? And all others are same. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. And so on as well. 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, and so on. When there comes a change, I'll explain it to you. Okay? Now these are different numbers. And I told you that the difference which is in these number is only with first three numbers. I didn't write first as first. I didn't write th with second. I didn't write th with third. So this is the difference. Otherwise, all of these are same. Okay. Now let's watch a video together that will explain this concept to you more. Give me a thumbs up if the video is visible to you. Okay. Is my screen visible? Okay, perfect.
Hey, let's have a race today.
Okay.
Yeah, we are gonna race. We are gonna race. Let's go.
So what happened here?
I think Ali came at 1.
Not one. First.
What's that?
It's first, second, third. You mean first, second, third? Yeah. Those are ordinal numbers.
You mean it goes on like that?
Yeah, it's like that. First, second, third, fourth.
Fifth, sixth.
Seventh,
Where are you guys? I came first.
Okay, so who is going to tell me what we have seen in the video? We see that there were some children and they did a race together, right? And when they finished the race, some of them tell that Ali get one. And the girl in the video, she explained them that we do not call it as one, we call it as first. When we are about to tell the position of something, instead of telling them as one, two, three, we explain them or we tell them as first, second, third, fourth. And these numbers are the numbers that are used to tell the position of something, and we call them as ordinal numbers, right? Okay, so now you guys Understand the concept? Now open your book page number 10. This is the first topic of unit number 2. The unit number 2 is about numbers. We will be doing a lot of things with numbers, okay? And we started with ordinal numbers. Okay. On this page, the ordinal numbers are written from first till 10th. And open your book page and I'll be telling you the spellings of them as well, and then we will write them, okay? Open your books, take out your pencils. Okay, what are the spellings of first? Does anybody of you knows the spellings? Okay, tell me. F I R S T. First. Okay, tell me the spelling of second. S E C O N D. Second. Excellent. What is the spelling of third? T H I R D. Third. Now look at the spellings of fourth. F O U R T H. Fourth. Now, okay, the way we pronounce them, in the same way we write them as well. Fourth, so we end with th. And have you seen that the numbers which are at the end of these numbers name, we are using them as this in the small form. See, it ends with st and we use st over there. It ends with nd and we use nd over there. It ends with rd, we use rd over there. It ends with th, we use th over there. Right? Now look at this one. Fifth. Okay? Now look at this one. Sixth. Okay? Now I'm going to erase this because I do not have enough space, and I'll write it as S E V E N C H. Seventh. Now look at the next one, which is eighth. What are the spellings of eighth? E I G H T H. Eighth. Now look at the ninth. The spellings are N I N T H. Ninth. Okay. And now look at the last one, which is the number 10th. Okay. Tenth. 10th. Okay. So we did it from first till 10th. You are supposed to write this on your book page, right? From first till 5th, start writing. So all of you are done? Okay, perfect. That was all for today. What we did in today's class, we talked about ordinal numbers. And now what you need to do, you need to memorize the spellings of the number names of these ordinal numbers from 1st till 10th. That was all for today. See you in the next class. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.